GoPro CEO Nick Woodman announced recently that GoPro intend to double their camera lineup in 2022, and it makes sense that one of those cameras will be a GoPro Max 2. I watched DC Rainmaker's video, and his interpretation of this statement in terms of what 4 cameras we should expect was as follows: a pro level camera, an updated GoPro Session, the usual GoPro mainstream camera, which this year would be the Hero 11, and a GoPro Max 360 camera, so the GoPro Max 2. Of course, this is pure speculation to an extent because the specific cameras haven't been announced. All we know is that 4 cameras are expected to be launched this year. But it does sound to me like a pretty logical analysis of that statement. In October this year, it would have been 3 years since the Max launched and 5 years since the GoPro Fusion launched. And this year, believe it or not, is GoPro's 20th anniversary, so it makes sense that they do something special by updating their entire camera lineup. And it would make sense that this includes a new GoPro Max camera, as well as including a pro level camera within that lineup to compete with what DJI are already doing with their DJI Pro camera. So is this exciting to have potentially a new GoPro Max camera, or as a GoPro Max owner, would you feel a little bit disappointed because you feel that the job wasn't finished properly in the first place with the launch of the Max? The Max did get so much right with the LCD screen, the robust action camera feel, and the fact that it was waterproof, and at the time the One X, its biggest competitor, it didn't have any of these features. But the GoPro Max only held its position at the front of the 360 market for a very short while because GoPro only gave it 2 big updates in a matter of 2 years. And then it was left well behind with the launch of the Insta360 One R and the Insta360 One X2. If GoPro were to launch a GoPro Max 2 camera this year, it would be an opportunity for them to take the lead in the 360 market if they produce the right product and offer the right support, and update it regularly. A new camera with higher resolution for 360 mode and for single lens mode, a dual LCD screen, a narrower form factor for better stitching, or just a better stitching algorithm like the Insta360 One R, which is a similar size. The support for an external microphone and a good desktop editor. And these are just a few things on my wish list for a GoPro Max 2, just for starters, and there's so many features that could be added. Let me know what would be on your wish list for a GoPro Max 2. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.